In this video, I will show you Barcelona to Andorra, Andorra to Tarbes-Lout, which is called Tarbes-Lout in French, and travel to Frankfurt through Luxembourg, and also show you the nightlife of motorways or highways in France. Total we will visit 4 countries. We will visit Spain from Andorra, Andorra to France, France to Luxembourg, and Luxembourg to Germany. Viewers, Assalamu alaikum, Guten Tag, Namaste and Sat Sri Akal. I welcome you all to my channel Travel Europe and me. I hope you are all doing good. Viewers, we came to hotel again through Lirambi Street. Then we woke up in the morning and had a breakfast. The breakfast here was very good, especially the fresh juice. Yes, the fresh juice they gave us was very fabulous. After breakfast, we start our journey on the clear roads and in the calm environment here by mentioning the name of Allah Almighty. Okay, viewers, look at what they have done with an aeroplane on the side. The purpose of saying is look how freely they have left their aeroplane. Okay ji, now we are moving towards our destination. Next the France border is about to start. Viewers, look at how beautiful the clouds are in the sky. It seems that these clouds have enhanced the beauty of the sky. After seeing this beautiful scenery, we continue our journey. Along the motorway, there is an area of France where I stop for some food. But here I would like to say firstly that it is almost 10 p.m. at night. But the sun has not yet set. The daylight is still standing. Okay viewers, well, check this. There is a laundry service in front of me on which you can wash your clothes easily by making a payment through the card. Viewers, next I will show you that this is a pizza shop. You can make a payment here at any time and get a pizza through card or through cash. Now I will show you a market on the opposite side, but this market is closed. Gas cylinders are easily available in this market. Viewers, look at this. This is the point where unimportant clothes, shoes or anything like that are washed and pressed and thrown by the people. Okay, next I will show you different types of garbage boxes. There are 4 different types of boxes. One in which you can throw plastic, one in which you can throw the glass things, one in which you can throw the food, and plastic at other or paper. Okay, next I will show you the special pizza. The specialty of this pizza behind this is that it has a touch of smoke because it is prepared by the burning of the fires of wood. Continue the journey, we see how beautiful the moon is. In this sky, the moon is surrounded by clouds from top and bottom. Here is the nightlife of motorways or highways, and it is the 14th of moon, and moon is peeking through the trees and presenting us with very attractive and beautiful scenes. We continue our journey and we are about to enter Luxembourg. After covering some distance, we are now about to enter Germany. There are beautiful trees on both sides. As soon as I enter Germany, I will show you the road from Luxembourg to Germany. At this time, I am at Luxembourg. From France, when we go to Frankfurt, we will pass through Luxembourg. It is a very small country in terms of area, but it is one of the richest country in the whole world. The head offices of all the banking system in the world are located here. The biggest benefit to the residents here is that there is no taxes on trains, buses or cars. But here the rent of hotels and houses are very high. I am about to cross the river bridge On the other side of this bridge, there is Germany. Next, we will reach to Frankfurt, which is our destination for the day. Viewers, I hope our journey from Barcelona to Frankfurt has been very interesting. Kindly like, subscribe, and share my channel. Inshallah, we will see you again in the next interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.